Good evening students, hope you all are fine. This is my fourth video and I believe all of you have seen my previous videos and all of you are making notes properly. So yesterday I taught about word problems based on addition and subtraction of 7 and 8 digit numbers. Today I am moving ahead to exercise 2.5 word problems based on subtraction. Children, subtraction word problems are easy to solve just as the addition word problems. You can look for the following terms to identify the subtraction word problems. Look here. Terms to identify the subtraction word problems. First is difference, left, minus, remaining, borrow. These terms are helpful to identify the problems based on subtraction. For solving the word problems, we will take some steps. First step is read and understand what do I need to find out. It means read and understand the question properly so that you are able to identify what you have to find out. Step 2. Find the information given in the problem. Step 3. Decide the operation to be used. It means you have to decide whether you have to do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And step 4 is finally solve the problem. Now we'll move to, I hope this is clear, and we will move to exercise 2.5. 2.5 question number 1. Okay, I am reading. A businessman has rupees 7,53,169 in his account. If he withdraws rupees 2,13,996, how much money is left in his account? Total amount in his account is given. Amount withdraw also given. So how we will find money left in his account? By subtraction. See here, a businessman has money in his account 7,53,169. Amount he withdraws in his account equals to 2,13,996. So money left in his account equals to 5,39,173. By subtraction we got the answer. I hope it is clear. Now we will move to question number 3. Again I am reading this question. Last year a state produced 47 crore 89 lakh 71,169 kg of rice. If the production decreases by 56 lakh 72,189 kg, what is the production of rice this year of the state? It means last year or previous year production given. This year production decreases by. Okay, production decreases by given. We have to find the production of rice this year. Sorry. Again see question number 3. Last year production of rice given. Production decreases in current year also given. Production of rice in current year, how we will find? By minus. So now 9 minus 9 equals to 0. 16 minus 8 equals to 8. Here 10 minus 1 equals to 9. Again 10 minus 2 equals to 8. 16 minus 7 equals to 9. 8 minus 6 equals to 2. 8 minus 5 equals to 3. 7 minus 0 equals to 7 and 4 minus 0, 4. So the production of rice in current year equals to 47 crore 32 lakh 98,980. Now question number 5. Okay. The question number 5 is by how much 75 lakh 2,143 is greater than 35 lakh 16,180. 9. Okay. Question is saying by how much 75 lakh 2,143 is greater than 35,16,189. So very simple subtraction will do and get the answer. Here I written. So the answer should be 39,85,954. Okay, all of you know how to do subtraction. So it is clear. Now question number 8. What must be added to 16,46,317 to get 86,13,889? So again we will subtract both numbers. So 86,13,889 minus 16,46,317. So 9 minus 7 equals to 2. 8 minus 1 equals to 7. 8 minus 3 equals to 5. So again we will take 1 carry. So 13 minus 6 equals to 7. Here 10 minus 4 equals to 6. Here 5. So 15 minus 6 equals to 9. And 7 minus 1 equals to 6. I hope this exercise is clear. All of you understood well. Now question number 2, question number 4, question number 6 and question number 7 is your homework. I hope all of you do it today. Thank you. Have a nice day.